Hi. So far we have been working on index.html page. HTML pages are used to define structure of the page and to add text content, media, links, etc. Usually they do not have any style element mentioned in it. In this case, index.html is our HTML page and we will use this page to define structure of my favorite superhero page. To define style of the page, that is type of font, its size, color, image styling, etc., we use CSS or cascading style sheet. Using CSS, you can define how each element of your web page should look like. Browsers read your HTML and CSS together to define your web page. There are three ways of styling a document: inline, internal, and external styling. We will learn how each of these stylings work. Let us go back to our project and apply these styling methods one after other. I have removed the last line which we used to insert link. I do not need that line anymore, therefore I have removed it. In the content that we have written so far, we did not specify which font browser should use. My browser is currently showing its default font. I wish to style text content within p tag here. I plan to use Roboto as my font family and 16 pixel as font size. I have Roboto font installed in my PC. Please refer to helper text to get information on how to install font in your system. Let us start with inline styling. To use inline styling, we add style attribute within p tag as shown. You will see that we have defined two style properties and their values within opening p tag. Font family and font size are style properties and Roboto and 16 pixel are their respective values. Different styling properties are separated using semicolon. So, when you use inline styling, you will have to use style attribute within each tag you would like to apply your preferred styling on. In this example, we are instructing browser to apply Roboto font of 16 pixel font size on the text included in the p tag. Let us see output of applying inline styling. This is how the page looks like. Now let us try internal styling instead of inline styling. Let me first remove the inline styling I have applied and make text appear what it was earlier. When you apply internal styling, you add style element inside head tag. We are using exactly same styling that we used in inline styling. To add internal styling, we are selecting element P. Here, P is called HTML selector. HTML selectors are applied on HTML tags. There are other types of selectors as well, but we'll learn about them later. We declare the style statement inside curly braces. Within these curly braces, we add property and value of the property. Here, font family and font size are properties, and Roboto and 16 pixel are their respective values. The output would look like this. You must have guessed it by now that if you are using internal styling, you have to define styling of the selector only once. Every time you use selector tag, the styling will be applicable on the content within the selector tag. An HTML document usually has hundreds of elements. Thus, it will save us lot of tedious task of defining style using inline styling if we are using internal styling. Refer to helper text to see most commonly used style properties before you attempt any of the quiz or code challenges. So far, we learned two ways of styling an HTML document. In the next lesson, we will learn how external styling is applied.